So, the taxpayer must email the BIR. So, ito yung specific email address na kailangan nilang padalan. So, contact_loa@bir.gov.ph and then i-attach mo yung mga sumusunod. Yung kopya ng LOA, yung name ng taxpayer, ilagay mo din syempre sa email body, LOA case number, sino nag-issue. Okay? And then, the BIR's official email, huwag ka mag-alala, that is confidential or limited lang sa BIR yung access. Okay? And they will, upon submission ng iyong email, provide you with a automatic generated standard reply. And then,
na-receive na nila.
Na-receive na nila. And then, ilalag yun, may monitoring and tracking sila dyan. Then, after that, expect within 3 working days.
3 working days.
Yeah, so simple process, ease of doing business, di ba? So they will issue an official response and it will be sent directly to your email address kung ano yung ginamit mo to contact them.